In a world of adventure and culinary delights, a new cooking anime has arrived. Welcome to Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. Prepare to be whisked away into a mouth-watering journey, where cooking and fantasy intertwine. Our story follows Kazuki, a talented chef transported to a parallel universe. But here's the twist, he possesses an absurd skill that enhances his cooking to unimaginable levels. As Kazuki explores this new world, he uses his absurd skill to create extraordinary meals, leaving everyone in awe. With each delectable creation, Kazuki not only satisfies hungry stomachs but also touches the hearts of those who taste his food. But it's not all fun and feasts. Kazuki must also face challenges, from culinary competitions to encounters with formidable foes. However, Kazuki's unwavering determination and absurd skill push him to overcome these obstacles and reach new culinary heights. Joined by a colorful cast of characters, Kazuki's campfire cooking adventures become a symbol of friendship, passion, and the power of a good meal. Get ready to experience a feast for your eyes and your taste buds as Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill serves up a delightful blend of cooking mastery and captivating storytelling. Don't miss out on this extraordinary cooking anime. Subscribe now and join Kazuki on his flavorful quest.